performing a manicure at home can be a relaxing and rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do a basic manicure. 1. Gather your supplies. Nail polish remover, cotton balls or pads, nail clippers, nail file, cuticle pusher or orange stick, cuticle oil or cream, hand moisturizer, base coat, nail polish, top coat, nail polish remover pen, optional. 2. Remove old nail polish. Start by using a cotton ball or pad soaked in nail polish remover to gently remove any old nail polish. 3. Trim and shape nails. Use nail clippers to trim your nails to your desired length. Use a nail file to shape your nails. File them in one direction to prevent splitting. 4. Soak and push back cuticles. Soak your fingertips in warm soapy water for a few minutes to soften the cuticles. Use a cuticle pusher or orange stick to gently push back your cuticles. Be careful not to cut them. 5. Exfoliate and moisturize hands. Use a gentle hand scrub to exfoliate your hands and remove dead skin cells. Rinse your hands and pat them dry with a towel. Apply a generous amount of hand moisturizer and massage it into your hands and cuticles. 6. Apply base coat. Apply a thin layer of base coat to each nail. This will help the nail polish adhere better and prevent staining. 7. Apply nail polish. Once the base coat is dry, apply your chosen nail polish color in thin, even strokes. Start from the base of the nail and work your way to the tip. Apply a second coat if necessary for full coverage. 8. Apply top coat. After the nail polish has dried completely, apply a layer of top coat to seal in the color and add shine. This will also help your manicure last longer. 9. Use a nail polish remover pen or a small brush dipped in nail polish remover to clean up any mistakes or polish that may have gotten on your skin. 10. Let your nails dry completely. Allow your nails to dry completely before using your hands for any tasks to avoid smudging the polish. And there you have it. Your at-home manicure is complete. Enjoy your beautifully groomed nails. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel and recommend it to your friends. Stay informed.